Do you know that there are two ways of saying this word in different tongues? You've probably heard about this one before. Mama. What's the other one? Also, there are different ways to address mum in Cantonese. Keep watching to find out what they are. In Cantonese, there are spoken and written forms. Sometimes, even with the same Chinese characters, they can sound different when using different forms. For example, in spoken form is 媽媽，佢係我嘅媽媽，佢係我嘅媽媽。In written form is 媽媽，她是我的媽媽，她是我的媽媽。The Chinese character 媽 is from the Chinese radical 女. In ancient times, the Chinese character 女 looked like this. It looked like how a female sits with her knees kneeling down. Now that we know this part is 女, let's look at the other part. This part is 馬. It means a horse. But here, it represents the sound of this Chinese character, 馬. If you put two dogs into this ancient Chinese character, 女, it will become a different Chinese character, which is 母. Can you guess its meaning? Yes, it means mum too. This Chinese character looks like a breastfeeding mum. We usually use 母親 in written form, like 母親節 for Mother's Day. This Chinese character, 娘, also has a long history. In ancient times, it looked like this. It originally meant a young girl, and later on, it got extended to the meaning of mum. Sometimes, if you watch a Chinese costume drama, you could hear people calling their mums 阿娘 or 娘親.
娘親，我哋唐家嘅仇人究竟係邊個？
With mama, it's actually kind of a traditional way of saying mum in Cantonese. And the Chinese character ma itself can also mean an older woman or married woman. I personally love it when my kids call me mama because it makes me feel like we're embracing our heritage. Of course, it's just a personal preference. Nowadays, there are more Hong Kong people just calling their moms mommy. Yes, it sounds like the English word mummy. Also, I know some people who call their moms mother, and yes, it's also from the English word mother. Also, there are some people who call their moms ama, and when some people are in need, they sometimes just yell out, Ma! In the 80s and 90s, I sometimes heard people from the Hong Kong dramas refer to their mum as 老媽子, usually by an adult to their old age mum. The word 老媽子 can actually mean servants, so this term is only used casually. So far, we've gone through different ways to address mum in Cantonese. Let's go through the list together. 媽媽媽媽媽媽媽媽母親母親阿娘阿娘娘親娘親媽咪媽咪媽打媽打阿媽阿媽媽老媽子老媽子. Do you know how to say Happy Mother's Day in Cantonese? Check out this video to see if you're correct.